Bless up, people. What a go on? It's your boy Tezzaboy again. Alright, so today is Sunday, July 12. What's on the agenda for today, people? You know, a man make him name for himself, and him have a very iconic car. Man known as Clay, Third World Society boss himself. Yeah, man, I'm currently on my way right now to meet up with him. Sorry for the shaky camera, still driving, but I'm running a bit late, and yeah, we're gonna link up Bill of Vibes and two separate occasions. So you guys stay tuned and you'll see what's happening. All right, peace. People, gonna meet up the man himself, iconic figure. Alright, people, so we're there with TWS boss himself. Clay, big up yourself. What a go on, bro?
Big up yourself, my G, with there.
Yeah, man.
You know, like call it boss still, because you don't boss of people where you see me push people around and them things. I'm rather a leader, because a leader guide and help people grow to your next level. See you,
for real. Alright, but you don't know, we get that nice from the Hot Wheels group. You see me? Because everybody wants say in our group, them say, yo, Tezza King's boss, or you know, TWS boss or thing. But yo, people, big up, welcome to another vlog again. So we basically I do an interview with Clay. You know, this man is someone who don't really front up with the camera, but you know, I convinced him today to give me a little interview. And people know the car mostly, bad Axio. Yo, people, me I tell you know, in a real life, car hot. I not tell no lie. I go give you a little cinematics when I finish, but for right now, just I do a quick little interview because personally in the streets, you know, I've always seen him at almost every car show, and you know, we always see the car and him always busy, you know, greeting people and everything, and you know, they deal with him crew and thing. It's a crew where always vibes the man and walk with them domino board and thing. You know, the man and banner ever fly high and them way there. So, you know, it's a real well put together leader and a crew, and is someone in the car scenery, I can say, you know, is someone to look up to. So I'm glad me get the interview today with him. So Clay, basically me just want to do a quick run through, you know, how long now you basically have been in the car scenery?
Car scene, well, I've been modifying cars, I'd say, from 2007. The car scene, you know, started a little small way in those times. I used to be a part of a team called Revard Nation.
Right.
So back in the days, if people know Revard is, I used to be a part of Revard. And then after I migrated to St. Ann because of work in the early 2000 or late 2008, early 2009, I decided to start, you know, my own car group years later. So I'd say I've been the whole car scene set up since 2007.
Alright, good to know, because you know probably a lot of persons don't know that. Alright, the next question is, you know, a lot of persons probably don't know you from back in the days when you had your Hondas and those other vehicles that you modified, but it's always in your DNA, and you know, I know you personally, so we're not gonna go way back into that, but right here, right now, you know, how you feel personally about this Axio right now, like where it is. You know, a lot of persons have seen the growth and the different changes. Like I personally, for one, every car show I go to, it's like you add something new or you change something from the last time, whether it's the rims or is a different hydro dip or airbrush in the engine bay. So like how you feel accomplishing everything right now about this from for this car?
Well, right now where it is, I am pretty pleased as to where it has reached. The truth is it wasn't a part of the plan to do all this modification to this car, but after doing what I did to it and the reception that I get from people when they see it, I feel very, very, very good, and I have no regrets about what I did to bring it to this level. The only regrets I had was when I just bought it, and I pretty much hate it because it was a very ugly car. But no, I must say that the work I put in, the time, the energy, and the reception that persons give to it, I think it was worth everything.
Alright, respect for that, respect for that. Alright, so what year is this one again?
This one's at 2012.
Yeah, man. Axio's people right now are hot bread, and trust me, especially what Clay did to his own. I'm sure a lot of persons out there right now probably don't bring it to this level, but it's a big inspiration for a lot of persons out there. You know, I notice you're doing a lot of you know, features and things now. Like is a new venture. How you feel about this new found passion of yours, you know, featuring and doing vlogs that I see you doing for the TWS page, seeing as you manage that page, and it's also your brand and your group? How you feel about venturing into the whole car scenery and editing now?
Well, I mean, the whole editing part of it, I mean, it's something that I've always liked. You know, when you're in the car scene and you have a group and you have to put out content every day, it's really hard to get persons to do it for you as well. And because of that, I found out that in order for me to put out content every day and put out content that people would like, I would have to learn somewhat how to really do the basics. So after messing around with those little things, I had a cousin that came from England about 3 years ago when he visited. The first time when I met up with him, really, he's actually studying movie theater in the UK, and that's where we shot a video of my car the first time, and I was asking him a few questions about the whole editing and, you know, how he did it and what device I need to get and what, some pointers, and he gave me some really good pointers, and based on what he gave me, I decided to try it on my own. And when I used to do them, I used to like send them to him and say, yo, what do you think about this? And he used to give me some pointers and feedback, and from practice and doing them on a daily, it got a bit better. And now I'm at a place where I think I can, you know, put together a little video on my own that can actually represent what I really like. So I feel good about it. The whole, you know, interviews and the whole, especially the Instagram live, that initiative was basically propelled because of the lockdown and nothing really going on in the car scene. where our scene was about. So I decided to keep the groups together by having nightly interviews with different car teams so persons can know who they are, a little bit about them in depth, the cars that are among their teams. And so far the vibe has been nice. Persons have been tuning in, and you know the motivation keeps going because persons support it and look forward to it. So you know the whole vibe is nice, and I like the whole reception that persons give for it. So yeah, it's a good look.
All right, thanks very much for that. So you know, I must say, from someone tuning in personally to the TWS live and the live on whole in general, it has during the COVID time here, I must say it has kept the car scene in Jamaica alive. And you know, being a car leader myself for Tezza Kings, you know, it was a good recognition when I came onto the live, and I got very good feedback, positive feedback as well, for the knowledge that I shared with a lot of persons. So yeah man, big up for that. I must commend you for that as well. What is next for TWS and you as the leader going forward?
Well, what's next for TWS? I mean, TWS next journey is all about continued growth. I mean, growth within the group, the members, and just becoming, you know, a group that persons can, you know, look up to and learn from. I mean, we've been around since 2016, August 2016. We spent a lot of years, you know, being out there, supporting different car crews, learning while we go along. We have some really tremendous members in the group, some persons who are committed, dedicated to the cause, and just always ready to do what it takes to make the group go to the next level. So for us, it's just basically riding out the whole COVID storm. You know, persons that are in the group are among essential workers. Some persons are in the tourism industry like myself, who have been adversely affected by the whole COVID lockdown. But at the moment, we're just kind of keeping the group together through our mutual WhatsApp group. I try my best every day to put contents out on the page, so the page remain active and remain out there. And we're just waiting until things kind of calm down so we can be out there again, flying the TWS banner real high. So yeah, right now it's just waiting and just keeping the integration of the group alive.
All right, respect for that one. You know, I have a question that has been brewing for a while, and you know, I'm not sure if anyone ever asked you that one, but seeing as this Axio is fully custom, I would put it, and you know, actually every screw that I look on has something different from factory. What is your favorite mod about this car? I know it's a lot of mods on the car, and it, as I said, it's a lot of custom work. But personally, which one stands out to you, where you know, like you're washing the car or you wake up and you look at it and you say, yo, trust me, I love this part that I did, and I'm glad I got the idea and run with it. So what is your favorite mod on this Axio?
That's a difficult question. I mean,
that's why I asked that one.
I'm gonna try to answer it, Tezza. When you say favorite, I guess I'd have to choose one. Yeah. And a lot of persons probably think that, you know, my favorite would have been the actual glass bonnet. The truth of the matter is, my favorite mods to the car so far is the back.
The back, the bumper.
The back, the trunk, the ducktail spoiler and the back bumper diffuser. Right. I think if I take pictures of the car, that's where I like to take the most. I like the back view of the car, how the ducktail spoiler sits on the trunk, and how the back diffuser is, and to think that was not even something that could have worked, because when I got it, none of them could fit the car really. Right. So I always have to big up Goose Garage in Falmouth for really creating this whole, you know, look that I wanted from items that could not fit the car itself. So yeah, the back for me is one of my my favorite part of the car. And also, I would say, if I should say the next favorite part, I would say my wood grain door covers. Yeah, I love them.
Respect. Alright, so yeah man, we're not gonna prolong it too much. You know, people, as I said, TWS boss himself, him not like when we call him boss, but big up yourself, Clay.
You don't know.
Yeah man, the whole Jamaica know this Axio, and people, stay tuned for some more cinematics, you know. I'm gonna close out the vlog shortly, so even the diffuser and the ducktail that he's talking about, you're gonna see some footage of that same way. So yeah man, big up yourself.
My respect, you know.
Yeah, alright, up respect for that. Alright, so people, stay tuned. Alright, don't go anywhere. This is gonna be the best part.
big up the whole Tezza production 876. Yo, go on YouTube, check out his vlogs. I mean, he's building, of course, a E30 BMW Jay-Z swap. That's supposed to be epic. And you don't know this man know if a drift car and slide it. So, yo, when that finish, you can go drift show. But, yo, check out Tezzaboy page. He knows a lot about cars, I would say, a lot of knowledge that you can learn from while he's doing this build. So check out this vlog, man. Definitely up.